There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Oh, my camera's about to die already.
Man, that's what happens. Your battery.
I'm gonna give you another one.
You gonna do cartwheels like him?
Out here. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara Yvette, and I'm back with another video. Today is maintenance day, so we're going to be out and about getting this face and look together. Right now I'm about to go grab some dye from Sally's because I'm about to dye my hair blonde or blonde-ish. We'll see how it comes out because I don't bleach my hair when I dye it. So yeah, I'm about to go buy my dye. I have a hair appointment at 2 and then a nail appointment at 6, and then sometime in between that I'll be trying to get my eyebrows done. The only thing I'm not getting done today is my lashes, and I also got my Rolly here with me. Say hey, Max. He mad because he got a sweater on, and I told him it's cold out here. Like, we're not in Florida anymore. You need to put on a coat. So yeah. And I thought we would match. Like, he got his gray on. I got my all gray on. I really just got on a onesie, but we're just going in and out. You see I'm missing a nail. So, yes, let's go get my dye so that we can hurry up, come back, and I can dye my hair. Okay, so I dyed my hair. I also got dye all over my camera, but that's here nor there. I have a Target bag on my head because I don't actually have a shower cap. And dye all on my shirt, but it's okay. Hopefully this comes out right. I dye my hair every single time, so I'm not that nervous. But also, if it comes out a different color, hey, new girl for 2024. So it is what it is. So yes, I'm entering my blonde era. I'm excited. Let me put on this timer because I didn't even do that. 45 minutes. Okay. 45 minutes, so at 105. At 105, I have to take this out. That's pushing it on time, but it's okay. I could jump in the shower, boom, 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 and go straight to my appointment. So, cool. So, hair dyed, and yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to hurry up. I dyed my hair. It's like an ash brown color. We'll see how it looks when it's done. I'm on my way to my appointment right now because I'm a little late. Not actually late. I like to be a little early, and I'm not a little early. Like, I'll low-key be showing up on time. I don't like that. And I'm excited. It's a new era for me, y'all. It's definitely a new era. I feel like I had my orange hair for 2 years. I dyed it December 2021. It's December 2023. So I feel like I did my time with the orange hair. I loved it. But the last time I dyed it back orange, I thought I really missed it. But then I was like, no, I'm okay. So we'll see how blonde is for me in 2024. How that goes. So yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get to my appointment or after my appointment. I don't like to just bring my camera out like places like that because I feel like not everybody wants to be on camera. Not everybody cares that I'm vlogging. I don't know. I don't know what people comfortability levels are, so I'm be wanting to do the most. So yeah, I'll either catch y'all at my appointment or afterwards. We'll see. Y'all, y'all, y'all. I was so nervous about this color, y'all, but it's so pretty. Y'all, I love my hair. Shout out to Nadia on a silk press. Y'all, oh my gosh. Like, I'm really like in awe right now of myself. Because I've never been like a full blondie. Well, I kind of did it in New York, but my hair was curly. And also I was mixing colors when I did it that time. It was like a honey blonde in that as well. But this is all ash blonde and 2024. You're not ready for me, okay? 2024 is not ready for me. They're not ready for my blonde era, okay? What was said? Oh, okay. I thought somebody said something. So actually, it's 4 o'clock. Well, it's 3:41. It's basically 4 o'clock. I'm about to go chill, and I'm about to go get some food. I'm about to go get me like a lobster bowl because I'm craving that. And I know I said I was gonna get my eyebrows done in between appointments, but I think I'm gonna wait till I go to work tomorrow and get my eyebrows done at the mall. So I could just wait till tomorrow to do that. And then my nail appointment is at 6, and I really have to figure out what I'm doing to my nails. All I know is I want white, Christmas-ish, or I really don't want Christmas nails. That's why I said I'll do white instead of like a red or a green. Because I want to also, these got to roll into the new year too. So I got to figure out something cute and white. So yeah, y'all. they're not ready. They're not ready for me. Okay, I quit.
Like the Barbie, I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out.
Okay, y'all, so I wasn't recording for a minute. I went to Target. I didn't find anything at Target. I was looking for a Grinch sweater, but I couldn't find it because I had this outfit in mind, but I don't know if it's gonna happen this year. Max is down in his water right now. He was a little mad at me also because I went to Marshall's and I got him these little plaid pajamas. Y'all, I'm gonna insert the picture I took of him when I tried it on him. It's so cute. He looks so cute. But yeah, so he has these little plaid pajamas, and then I just took him for a walk and I bought him this vest, and he had to try on his little vest. And he don't like wearing clothes, but he has no choice in this household, so. And as y'all can see, I did paint the walls green. I didn't get my curtains yet. I'm kind of indecisive on where I'm going with the curtains. I think I know what I want to do. I don't know if I mentioned it in a video, but we'll still see on the curtains. Oh yeah, hold on. Forgot to say, I also got my Hello Kitty Christmas mug. This is like a disaster waiting to happen because it's glass and not ceramic, but it has a little lid and a spoon, but it's also just a little mug. And it says be merry and bright. So we will be being merry and bright this Christmas. So I have my little mug for Christmas morning, so I'm excited. With the nails, y'all see it. So yes, okay, now continue. I'm so happy to be maintenance. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. Tomorrow also is Jayla's Christmas PJ party. So I didn't get no new pajamas, but I do have some pink satin ones. So I think I'm gonna just wear those. I'm gonna go put them in the washer. I gotta find them first. I don't even know where they are. But I'm gonna find those and put them in the wash right now. But I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm a blonde girl now, into 2024, new me. Y'all, should I do bangs? Should I still end up doing bangs? Or should I just leave my hair how it is? Would it be like this? Like, oh, I don't like bangs. Nope. Glad I just did that. Okay, so I'm gonna close out this vlog. Max, you wanna say something since you wanna look? You wanna say something? Come here. Okay, y'all. Max, look. Look, Max. Okay, so we're gonna close out this vlog. And yes, tell them, comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, what you want us to do next. And yeah.